Happy animals' clothes, the Lion King's illness. Why is my chest feeling so tight? All the strength in my body seems to have gone. Once upon a time I was the king of the forest. Everyone would tremble with my roar. But today, I can't even get out of my cave. I lie there all day wondering, what happened to me? Why have I become so helpless? All the animals around me must think I'm dying. But I don't want to die. I want to be healthy again. I want the whole forest to tremble with my loud roar. Long pause, but who will save me? Call the poet king, call him today. Kaviraj, in a calm voice, long explanation. Rajamshai, don't be afraid. I have seen your illness. It cannot be cured with medicine. The cause of your illness is not only your body, but also your mind. Your mind has become unhappy. Therefore, your body has also become weak. Now there is only one way. If you can wear the clothes of an animal that is truly happy, then your disease will be cured. But the condition is, the animal must be truly happy. One that has no sorrow, pain, or regret in its mind. It is difficult to find such an animal. But you have to try. Spread the news throughout the forest. Who is the happy animal? The king will need its clothes. Fox, in a clever manner, long speech. Oh my, the happy animal's clothes? Laughing, Rajamshai, can happiness be found so cheaply? Am I happy? From the outside, everyone thinks that the fox is very clever. He must be happy. But who knows the story inside? I am afraid every day. If the tiger catches me, if the dog chases me, if I don't get food, I can't sleep at night. My stomach is empty. I tremble with fear. I am not the happy animal, Rajamshai. If you take my clothes, sadness will enter your body. Happy animal, find someone else. Elephant, Rajamshai, I look strong from the outside. Everyone thinks that an elephant means power, wealth, and happiness. But inside my heart is broken. I gather food every day, bathe in the river, but when I see small animals running away in fear of me, I feel completely alone. I have no friends, no one to share my joy with. I just walk alone. Is this happiness? No, Rajamshai, it is sadness. I am not a happy animal. If you take my clothes, your unhappiness will increase. Donkey, ha ha ha, am I a happy animal? Hey Rajamshai, I get kicked all day long. The owner uses me to pull wood, carry bricks, and the little ones laugh at my songs. No one respects me. Everyone says, stupid donkey. If I were a happy animal, would you call me this? I have no dreams of my own, no desires of my own. I only do other people's work. If Rajamshai wears my clothes, then you too will be burdened. That's why I am not a happy animal. Goat, in a sweet voice, long speech. Rajamshai, do you know how I live? I graze all day long, eat green grass. From the outside, I seem happy, but inside, I am afraid, because every day I see people coming to catch me. They take my companions to the slaughterhouse. I know that one day they will take me too. I live with this fear. Can someone who has such fear in their heart be happy? That's why I am not happy. If you take my clothes, fear will enter your body. Bear, laughing, in a deep voice, oh, king, am I happy? Everyone thinks that I eat honey and dance happily. But do you know the truth? How much trouble I have to work for food. In the winter, I hide in a cave. In the heat, I sweat with difficulty. People scream in fear when they see me. No one wants to be my friend. Always alone. I am not a happy animal, king. Don't take my clothes. Bird, King, by now you understand how difficult it is to find a happy animal. But me, I am a small bird. I have no palace, no king's seat, no wealth. In the morning, I fly in the sunlight, sing songs, sleep on the branches of trees. I am not afraid of anyone. I am not greedy for anyone. I just fly in the sky and enjoy freedom. For me, happiness means freedom. I am a truly happy animal. But, King, I have no clothes. I don't wear clothes. So I can't give you my clothes. Kaviraj, educational conclusion. King, do you see? Happiness is not in money, power, or clothes. Happiness comes from the heart. A creature that is free, fearless, and greedy is truly happy. If you want to be healthy, you have to look for happiness within yourself. Cyan King, laughing, yes, now I understand. Happiness is hidden within me. If I give love, do not grieve, do not covet, then I will be a happy creature. Then my illness will also go away.